Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, at least 90%, lint-free cloths, and high-quality thermal paste. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and apply the thermal paste effectively. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion seat and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Use the Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver to carefully remove each screw, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. After removing the back panel, you will have access to the internal components, including the CPU and GPU. Next, locate the heatsink, which is typically secured with additional screws. Carefully unscrew the heatsink, and once it's free, lift it off gently. You will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, clean the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that all residue is removed for optimal thermal conductivity. Now, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small psi amount in the center of the CPU is sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice on your laptop's condition. After applying the thermal paste, carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fastened to ensure proper heat dissipation. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean any dust from the internal components using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. If you don't have the tools for this task, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once everything is clean and the heatsink is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion seat and monitor the temperatures using software tools. If you notice any issues, or if you prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, allowing you to get a quote before repair without any inconvenience. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your Lenovo Legion C16, enhancing its performance and extending its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.